an absolutely beautiful day today in the Lewisham Borough. So where we last left off, we discussed disclosure, police disclosure. So what I'm going to be talking about now is what we call taking the client's instructions. This is when the client explains his or her version of events. Now, what I always tell a client is just to be patient and just listen to the disclosure I'm about to provide, the allegation, the circumstances of events, and the questions that I've asked. Clients sometimes are a little bit hyper. They straight away want to tell you, oh, this is what happened. I always just say, wait and just listen to what I've got to say first and what evidence there is before you tell me anything. Because it's important that all legal representatives, that we act in the interest of justice. So therefore, if you suddenly tell me, I did do it and I was there, but I want you to do it, then after you've heard what I've told you with the disclosure and the lack of evidence and everything else, then you'll be like, yeah, but I want you to do a prepared statement then, because there's no CCTV, there's none of this and none of that, and I thought there would be. I want you to now just do me a statement and say that I wasn't there and I didn't do anything. I can't do that. I have to act in the interest of justice. That's against the SRA protocol. What happens if that's what you insist on me doing? I then have to officially stand down immediately from representing you. I have to let the officer know that I'll be standing down, and you're entitled to then get another legal representative from another firm, and it's down to you what you then tell them. We have to act in the interest of justice. We still are bound by confidentiality, so I won't have to tell the officer why I'm standing down, but I will have to stand down. So it's important that you always listen to your legal representative first and see what evidence there is. And a good solicitor will help you read between the lines. So wait and see if there is CCTV, what kind of forensics there are sending off, if there is any witnesses, even if there's a witness statement. Because most of the time, if there ain't even a victim statement, it's not going nowhere. So they're just going to wait for you to try and incriminate yourself. And like I said, try and read between the lines through the disclosure, what the legal representative is providing you. Now, I'm not saying if you're guilty of something, wait to see what the evidence is and how you can maybe change your story, because that would be misleading the interest of justice. Just have your wits around you and listen to your legal representative, and make sure you've got a good lawyer. Be safe, be legal.